everyone, I'm Amy with Epoddlenails.com, and today I wanted to show you the step-by-step on how to sign up to be a color street stylist with me as your sponsor. I'm going to share my screen, walk you through the process. It's a few easy steps and it'll get you started from your couch with your new business. I'm happy to answer any questions beforehand if you choose to. If you're just super pumped and excited and you want to go for it, go ahead and follow these steps even if you haven't spoken to me yet. So first, you're going to go to epoddlenails.com and be sure that you see up here in the left-hand corner, my name, Amy Epoddle. Then you hit join. So here's gonna give you a little bit of an idea of how to be a stylist, right? Why Color Street? There's a little video you can watch, a little blurb here that tells you a little bit about the company and what we have to offer, all of this here. Then it's gonna show you what you get in your basic starter kit. I also did a video about this. We'll link it at the end of this video so you can see exactly what it is. This is a general idea. It changes a little bit here and there depending on stock, but either way, you're always gonna get 10 full sets of nail strips, 1 French, 2 solids, 2 glitters, and 5 designs, and then the necessary products to kind of get your business started. And then down right here is a red button that says join now. Click that. So here you'll see first all of the terms of agreement, the policies, the compensation plan, and a non-compete agreement saying that you are not in a non-disclosure or non-compete with a different company that prevents you from being a stylist for us. That you can download each of these by clicking the pink button, sorry, and then read all of those through. Be sure you know what you are signing up for. This is a really awesome business and we're super excited, but we want to make sure that you're really get the legal stuff of it too. It is a business and it is a legal contract. Down here, you'll click all of these. I have read the agreements, I have read the stylist policies, I've read the compensation plan, and you certify that you are not bound to a non-compete. And then you hit agree. And this is all your personal information. Over here on the right-hand side, you'll also see again that your stylist is sponsor is me. It'll also say right here, this order summary, you're gonna see right here that your basic kit is $129. You're also gonna pay tax and shipping on that depending on your area. You're gonna go ahead and fill out all your personal information here, and your tax ID number is either if you've registered a different entity or if you are using your social security number if you are a sole proprietor. So if you have created a business entity and you have an EIN number registered with your state, you would choose one of these. Then you're gonna fill out this email. I do suggest starting a brand new email address for your Color Street business. It can be anything from your name, something fancy with nails in it, whatever you want, but just something that is separate so that you can put in an email address that is only for your business purposes. Your main address, this is and then your personal website. Here's your website will be colorstreet.com/ and then your username, whatever you want it to be there. And then you're gonna set a password for you to sign into your back office. And then your shipping address and all your direct deposit information. This is where you'll be paid as of right now. Soon we will be going to the system of a debit card, which is an awesome thing. And then, but right now we do still need your direct deposit information. And then here's your billing payment information. Now this information is going to be used to pay for the one-time fee of $129 for your kit. And then also it will be used for your $9.95 subscription fee for your monthly e-suite so that you can get this website and your customers have access to it. It includes just like the hosting fees and that kind of stuff. So that is a $9.95 subscription fee plus the starter fee cost, and then you would hit agree and submit. Once you've hit submit, you are officially a stylist, right? So your starter kit will come in the mail about 7 to 10 business days, but you can definitely get started working your business before then. You'll hear from me right away within a business day after you've signed up, and I will add you to all the team pages, all of the learning. You know, you are definitely not in this alone. A team chat, we have some upline pages that you get added to. We'll work one-on-one together to get your business really off the ground, depending on how you want to work it. If you have any questions, please email me, amy@epoddlenails.com. I'd be happy to answer any. And of course, if you're ready to get started and you're super excited, go ahead and click the link. See you later. Bye.